Step-by-step guide, how to charge a portable charger. Title: Step-by-step guide, how to charge a portable charger. Introduction, 100 words. In this digital age, staying connected is more important than ever. Whether you're on a camping trip, traveling, or simply commuting, having a fully charged portable charger is a lifeline for your mobile devices. But what if you're not sure how to charge a portable charger? Fear not. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process, ensuring you are equipped with the knowledge to keep your portable charger ready for use whenever you need it. Section 1: Understanding your portable charger, 200 words. Before we delve into the charging process, it's essential to understand the basics of your portable charger. Portable chargers, or power banks, come in varying shapes, sizes, and capacities. They typically consist of a lithium-ion battery, charging circuitry, input/output ports, and LED indicator, and sometimes additional features like fast charging technology. To determine if your portable charger needs charging, most models have a power indicator. This indicator can be in the form of LEDs, an LCD screen, or even a simple light that changes color. Familiarize yourself with your charger's unique features and specifications to optimize your charging experience. Section 2: Choosing the right charging adapter, 150 words. The next step is to choose the appropriate charging adapter for your portable charger. Typically, portable chargers come with a USB port for charging. Depending on the charger's specifications, I require a standard USB-A to USB-A cable, a USB-C to USB-A cable, or any other charging cable provided with the device. Match the charging cable to the corresponding charging port on your portable charger and ensure it is in good condition. Section 3: Connect your portable charger to a power source, 250 words. To charge your portable charger, you will need a power source. This can be a wall outlet, a computer, or even a car with a built-in USB port or a compatible power adapter. Locate an available power source and connect the USB end of your charging cable into it. Identify the correct input port on your portable charger and plug the other end of the charging cable into it. Most portable chargers have a micro USB, USB-C, or Lightning input port. Ensure a secure connection between the cable and the port, as a loose connection may result in inefficient charging or a disrupted charging process. Section 4: Monitoring the charging process, 150 words. Once your portable charger is connected to a power source, the next step is to monitor the charging process. Many portable chargers feature LED indicators or screens that display the charging status. These indicators may differ across different models, but commonly include symbols, colors, or numerical displays. Typically, a solid light indicates that your portable charger is charging, while a blinking light suggests a low battery or faulty connection. Some chargers also indicate the charging progress through the number of LED lights that light up. Section 5: Safely disconnecting your portable charger, 300 words. After charging your portable charger, it's crucial to safely disconnect it from the power source. This safeguards your charger against potential damage and optimizes its lifespan. Follow these steps to ensure a safe disconnection. 1. Unplug the charging cable from the power source. Gently remove the USB end of the charging cable from the power source, such as the USB port or power adapter. This prevents any sudden power surges that may harm the charger or your connected devices. 2. Disconnect the charging cable from the portable charger. Carefully detach the charging cable from the input port of your portable charger. It's important to handle the cable and port with care too. Prevent any damage. Section 6. Maintenance tips for your portable charger, 250 words. To ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your portable charger, consider the following maintenance tips. 1. Avoid extreme temperatures. Exposure to extreme heat or cold can damage your portable charger's battery. Store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. 2. Charge your portable charger regularly. Even if not in use, it's advisable to charge your portable charger at least once every 3 months to maintain its battery life. This prevents the battery from draining excessively, which can reduce its overall capacity. 3. Use the charger till depletion. Allow your portable charger to drain completely before recharging. This practice can maximize the battery's lifespan and prevent the memory effect. 4. Protect it from physical damage. Avoid dropping or subjecting your portable charger to physical stress, as this can damage the internal components or compromise the battery cells. Section 7. Troubleshooting common issues, 200 words. While charging a portable charger is generally a straightforward process, you may encounter some common issues along the way. Here are a few troubleshooting tips to help you overcome these challenges. 1. Inconsistent charging. If you notice that your portable charger is not charging consistently or at all, make sure the charging cable is securely connected on both ends. Try using a different cable or power source to rule out any faults. 2. Slow charging. If your portable charger is charging much slower than usual, check if you are using a low-power USB port or a weak power source. Using a higher-powered USB port or a different power adapter can help speed up the charging process. 3. Overheating. If your portable charger becomes excessively hot while charging, it could be a sign of a faulty battery or a charging circuit issue. In such cases, it's best to stop using the charger and consult the manufacturer or a professional for assistance. 4. Battery drain.